Here's where you can go to set notification sounds to silent. So if you don't want to hear any notification sounds on your watch itself and you want to put them all to just silent and just for the notifications, here's where you can go to do this. You'll start from the clock face view mode here and simply swipe down at the very top, tap on the settings icon. And as you do that, you want to go to where it says sounds and vibration, this right here. As you tap on that here, you'll be taken to this section where you have plenty of settings, but you want to go down and keep going down past all of this here and past the vibration section until you reach the notification sound, this one here. As you enter here, you'll most likely have it set to one of these right there. So you want to go back to the very top in this part and you'll see silent as one of the options. So when you set this, this is allowing you to set the notification sound to silent. And just for the notification sounds, you don't have to worry about it silencing the other sounds for other features, right? And that's that. Like and sub.